What is going on, guys? Brimix here. Today we're going to be replacing the side markers or the side mirror lights on an 09 Mercedes. Looking from this to this. This is the upgraded W204 side markers. Alright, so now to remove and start the installation, you want to first push the mirror back this way. And if you want to come over here, show you how to remove the mirror. Now, a lot of people are scared of this side just because you might think you might break the glass. I'm kind of scared because I'm gonna be a spider in there bites me. You just want to grab it like this. You ain't gonna break nothing. And just pull it right out. Make sure there's no spider though. And then you expose. I think they're T15s. Alright guys, now we're gonna use the T15, which I have right here. Remove these three small T15s that remove the frame. Oh, I'm sorry, T10. I'm sorry, you're right. Camera woman said T10. She's right. Remove these three right here. Easy. Like that. There you go. She's gonna hold it over here. And this frame comes out like this. Oh, don't scratch your paint like I've been doing. Now this frame you're not going to use, so you can toss it over here. Alright, next is to remove the actual plastic you have right here, these tabs. You simply just push it in each side and it pops out. See? And these tabs right here, this is what's holding it in here. You just push it out and it pops out like so. And you expose the connection, you literally just pull it. That easy. Throw that in the trash. Actually, not yet. We need to get the harness from that one. And that's it for now. Oh, you're not gonna use this lower trim. Because the newer one comes with the lower trim with the courtesy lights, but it's gonna require a lot more wiring. I don't feel like taking the door trim apart and everything apart, so I'm gonna just leave it like that for now. But this is how your side mirror should look right now if you want to upgrade it. All right, so now here we have the new side marker. Look at that. Now these side markers do come with the LED, but I went and got a sequential set. As you guys saw in the beginning intro, this is a sequential one, so I had to buy this separately. This is how it looks. It's smoked out. I did end up chopping off where the harness comes, because this was for a facelift one, so you can't use that harness. That's why we have this one right here, where we got to steal the harness from and plug it into that one. Let's see. Where's my knife? All right, now we're gonna grab the old lights. We're not gonna use this light no more. Once you can get electrocuted. There you go. So you want to break this off, because this is the actual harness that would fit on the original one. Leave that one there. If you're done with that one, you can trash that one. Here's the other harness, which we're not going to use. It's a different harness. But actually, we got to remove this Phillips head so we can actually I have not seen a YouTube video showing you how to upgrade it like as good as this video. I'm not, I'm not trying to get myself clout or nothing, but like I have not seen a video showing how to exactly do this. So I have to figure it out myself. But it's simple though. You guys can do it. See, and this piece comes off. That's why we threw the other piece away, because it already comes with a good one. Next, you have to remove these lights. You don't have to, but I'm going to. Oh, and this part also comes off. Look, this is a lower piece with the puddle light or courtesy lights or whatever. But I'm not going to hook it up. It's too much wiring. And so I'm going to remove this so I can put in my sequential one. Hopefully, you guys don't have a lot of mosquitoes bugging here like me.
should pop off. Like so. Technical difficulties. Oh, really?
All right, now that we took this light off, it did have a little adhesive right here just for this tip to glue in nicely, but this one doesn't have it. We'll see how it fits. It's not, we'll throw in a little adhesive in it. Grab it like this, stick it on.
There you go. That's in. There you go. Make sure it clips in right here. You got the 2 clips, and then your 2 screws will go in there. They're just 2 Phillips heads.
Better not cut myself. You want to graph the black and match the black with black and the red with red. Alright guys, now we're going to make sure our connection is good. As you can see, we have it taped up, connected over here. See if it lights up. If not, we got to reconnect it again. Alright, I'm turn the emergency on. Alright, I could just go like this. We got to see if it lights up. Hey, unlock it. Unlock it. There you go, sequential. Now you just gotta make sure you order the right one. You see how this casing goes like this? It's got a curvature to fit this. That's what you have to get. I ended up ordering the wrong one. It's like a square one, thinking it was it, because I saw a YouTuber do it. He never explained it. You gotta make sure you have the curve right here, or else it will not fit. Okay. Also, one thing you have to do, or else it won't fit, is, let me unplug it because we'll need it. So the lights are a little bigger. The lights are a little bigger inside, so it hits this, and it hits this part right here. It will not let it sit lower. So just break it off. I'll show you how to break it off. All right, so just grab some pliers. This plastic actually breaks off really easily. You got it like this. Look at that, super easy. Don't worry, it's not gonna mess with anything really frame or whatever related. Look at that, snaps right off. Don't worry, I'm gonna pick it up bottom litter. One more piece right there. There we go. As you can hear, we have a bike we got driving by. For my video, but okay. Alright, now with that broken off, it should be perfectly fine to sit flushly. Hey, it's kind of short. Sit nice and flush in there. Grab this right here, reconnect it up again. Okay, make sure it works before we install it. Good. And then you want to put it, see how it fits nicely in there. That's how you want it. That's why you need the curvature, because these lights have a little curve in it. Simply just set it down like that. Very nice. Grab. Rehook it back on. Like so. You want to get it in that hole right there. You see it? Lift it up. There you go. Like that. And the other side also has a little hole that goes in. And now you might be able to just fit it nice. You see clips right here? It should just mount right on like that. You see? We go. Get everything nicely in there. And then get this piece. Oh my. See, it'll fit right through. Alright. You see the screws in there, it'll match up the holes. Alright guys, now that we have everything installed, it looks very nice. Now it's time to rehook the mirror, which is easy. You just line up where the holes go. And then you just snap it right in. They're in the hole. There you go. See? Now it's in. And your side mirror's done. Look at that. Now you have sequential and it's all blacked out. And as you can tell, I sprayed it with the black. It's called back to black, which literally makes the trim go back to black. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna show you guys tonight how it looks. I think it changes the look of the Mercedes. Makes it a little more modern because it's very sequential. And I got the brand new headlights as well. You know, no grill. I'm good to grill. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, guys. That's what we got. How's it going?